Video, I'm going to show you how to embed images and documents such as Microsoft Word or Adobe Acrobat PDFs into the D2 Davis & Partners content management system. So here you're going to see our About Us page from the sample we created earlier. And on this page we're going to adjust the content so that there's an image and a couple of links underneath it. So I'm going to flip over to the administrative interface. And the easiest way to embed files and images is to go to the Files area and upload them before you edit the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load the file manager, and I'm going to browse on my local file system and find the sample PNG file, and I'm going to click Upload. It's going to tell me that the file is uploaded, and you'll see it right here in the list. And if you click View, it'll bring it up in a pop-up window for you to preview the image. But we're going to go ahead and upload two more files. So I'm going to upload the sample, actually do the sample.doc, which is just a one-line Microsoft Word document. I'll click Upload. Says it was uploaded, and I'll grab the PDF and upload that. And so now you're going to notice here's our sample PNG with a view, and then the sample.doc and the sample.pdf have download links because they cannot be viewed or previewed in the file manager. You just can download them and review them that way. But once each file has been added into the website, you can click over to Pages. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the About Us page. And so you'll see the About Us content here. And what I'm going to do is I'm put my cursor at the end of this line, and hit my return key twice just to get me a new line down here. And I'm going to click on the Insert Edit Image icon in the WYSIWYG editor. And so you have an image URL, so if you had an external image that you wanted to load from Flickr or whatever, you could copy in that URL. But in this case, since we uploaded the file to the CMS, we're going to use the image list drop down here. So I'm going to click the drop down menu, and you'll see in this list, you're going to see all the images that were in the files area. And the one we're concerned with is sample.png. So I'm going to click sample.png. You'll see it preview here. I'm going to leave the rest of everything else the way it is and click Insert. And so now you're going to see the sample graphic there in the page. So now we're going to link to the Microsoft Word and the Adobe PDF. So I'm going to hit my return key a couple of times. I'm going to say Microsoft Word sample, and then I'm going to highlight Microsoft Word, and I'm going to click the little chain link icon over here. It says Insert Edit Link. Now in this dialog you can either paste in a URL to a file that you'd like to download, or you can use the link list, which is what I'm going to do here. So the link list will actually go and grab any non-image file that is in the files area, and you can link directly to those files. So in this case, since we're working with the Microsoft Word link, I'm going to do sample.doc. I'll leave everything else the same and say Insert. Now you'll see that the text down here went gray because that's the color of the link in the style sheet. So I'm going to hit my return key a couple of times, and then I'm going to do Adobe Acrobat PDF sample. And so I am going to highlight Adobe Acrobat PDF. I'm going to click on the Add Insert Link icon and choose the sample.pdf. I'm going to say Insert. And so now you see that one's highlighted, that we have a link on it as well. And I am going to click Modify. So the page has now been updated. I'm going to flip back over to the website and refresh the page. So now you'll see the sample image. You're going to see the link to the Microsoft Word file. And if you look down in the lower left, you'll see the link to it. And then the Adobe PDF is also linked to the sample.pdf file. So that's how you insert images and downloadable document files to the Davis & Partners D2 content management system. If you have any questions or concerns, contact Davis & Partners or use the support link in the administrative interface to create a ticket, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as we can. Thanks so much.